Keep your chest up. Keep your chest up. Push-ups. Push-ups. 5 push-ups. Chest all the way down. Full extension. See some good push-ups here. Good. Let's go 5 squats. Okay, 5 squats. Butt down, chest up, get nice and deep. That's it. Deep squat, deep squat. Keep your chest up tall. Good. 10 jumping jacks, 10 jumping jacks. See it. 10 running man, 10 running man.